What's going on? This is Eddie at the Group B doing another walk around video here. This is our latest E92 M3. This is an E92 6-speed manual, Jerez black on black, Michelin's all around, super clean interior, Alcantara steering wheel. Car's had rod bearings done. This Jerez black looks blue, different lighting, as you'll see in the photos. We have a Meister shaft exhaust. We just did throttle actuators on the car. At the moment, it doesn't need anything. Very nice. Carbon roof with no clear coat failure. Alcantara on the 6-speed manual and the CHP knob. Alcantara on the e-brake. We'll go ahead and we'll do a driving video and we'll see how she does. Alright, we're doing the driving portion of the video for the M3. That 65 sounds so good. That Meister shaft exhaust. Probably one of the best sounding M3s ever made. Was heavily serviced at BMW in prior ownerships. That's where the rod bearings were done. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, we did the throttle actuators. So right now the car has no warnings, has no pending needs. AC works good. It's got the sunshade in the back. Works perfectly, as you saw in the pictures. Car to drive. We're gonna put the windows down now so you can hear the car on wide open throttle with the exhaust.